Today we are going to have Unit 4, Lesson 3 and 4, Into the Past. Definitions. Coins means small flat pieces of metal, usually round in shape, that we use as money. Figure means a model of a person or picture of someone. Mask, something people wear to cover or protect their face. Necklace, jewelry you wear around your neck. Tool, instrument or equipment you can use to make or repair things. Vase, a pot used for holding flowers. Clay, a type of mud, and you can make things with it. Design, a pattern used to decorate something. Papyrus, a type of paper made from plants that was used in ancient Egypt. Senet, an ancient Egyptian game. Remember, asking for information on the telephone. How can I help you? Hello, can you tell me? Certainly, of course. I'd like to know what time. Can I buy? Thank you for your help. Can you tell me the price of the ticket, please? Is that for adults or children? Now answer this dialogue with me. Receptionist, good morning, Museum of History. Mona, good morning. Receptionist, we are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. What do you think about the question here will be? Yes. What are your hours? Mona? Receptionist, no, we are open daily except Fridays. What is the question here? Very good. Are you open on Fridays? No, we are open daily except Friday. Can I buy the ticket online for the museum? Receptionist, yes, of course. Mona? She asked the question and the receptionist said, a ticket costs 20 pounds for a person. What is the question now? What price of the ticket, or how much is the ticket? Mona, can I get my children with me? Receptionist قال لها كلام you are welcome. يبقى أكيد sure you are welcome. منى قالت له إيه ما حد يقولك you are welcome. Thanks for your help. Culture. Read with me. Objects from Egypt's past. Objects from the past can help us to understand what life was like many years ago. They can also show us that we use many of the same objects today. In ancient Egypt, many people used mirrors to help them paint around their eyes. This was not just to make them look good. The paint helped to protect their eyes from the sun and kept away insects. The mirrors were made of metal and had interesting designs. Where do you have mirrors in your home? In the bathroom, in the bedroom. Another reading. The ancient Egyptians used pots and bowls for making food. These objects were made of clay, which came from the river Nile. Pay attention in this conversation or dialogue. Which came from the river Nile. While some people were mixing ingredients in bowls, other people got into the bowls and used their feet to mix the ingredients. How do you make bread today? Now, ancient Egyptians liked playing games like Senet. Senet boxes have 30 squares. This box is made of wood and it's about 3,500 years old. Some people didn't have Senet books, but they still played the game. They drew the squares on the floor. What games are popular in Egypt today? What do you think? You can answer. Read the text again and correct the mistakes in these sentences. Number 1, it's answered for you, but we are going to read it. People used mirrors to help them paint their feet? No, paint around their eyes. Number 2, the paint protected people from the wind. From the wind, do you think it's correct? No, it's incorrect. Yes, you are so excellent, Hamza. To protect them from insects. Number 3, people made boats with clay from the sea. كانوا بيعملوا clay منين؟ clay جاي من السي؟ No, from the river Nile. Number 4, people mixed the ingredients in big pots. Yes, they mixed it in big bowls, not pots. Senet boxes have 13 squares. 13 is false, but as we said, 30 squares. Now, it's our time for grammar. The past simple tense. Examples. Number 1. I played football yesterday. Played. Played. I visited my aunt a week ago. Visited. From this we can notice that past simple expresses an action that started and finished in the past, and it formed from the second conjunction of the verb, like play, played, visit, visited, eat, ate, see, saw, go, went. We have keywords that expresses the past simple. Keywords: yesterday, ago, last, in. وأي سنة في الماضي. In the past, when I was young, once. In negative, I didn't play football yesterday. I didn't visit my aunt a week ago. He didn't go to school last week. يبقى النيجاتيف didn't plus base verb or infinitive. As for the past continuous tense, another kind of past, but it's continuous. The past continuous tense expresses an action that happens in the past but in a specific time in the past. Examples: they were watching TV yesterday evening. In negative, Jana wasn't making dinner, so we notice that past continuous tense consists of was or were plus verb ing. Was takes I, he, she, it. Where, they, we, you, or any plural noun. When negative, wasn't or weren't plus verb ing. Look at this example. They weren't swimming. Interrogative means question. Was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Example: was he having lunch? Yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Were you watching TV? Yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. What were they doing at 5 yesterday? They were playing football. Keywords في past continuous tense: all the morning, all the afternoon, all the evening, all night, all time. While, as, just as, when, between 6 and 8, at وأي ساعة o'clock yesterday, at وأي ساعة o'clock last وأقول last month, last week, the whole or all day yesterday. المهم عندنا جدا when و while و as. while و as و just as followed by past continuous and the other side of the sentence past simple. Look at these two examples. While I was reading my book, the phone rang. Now read and correct. Number 1, they have tea when the doorbell rang. ينفع أقول they have tea when the doorbell rang؟ ولا المفروض أقول they were having tea؟ ليه قلنا were having؟ when بيجي بعديها past simple اللي هي rang الباست simple. طب اللي هيجي قبليها هيبقى past continuous. الباست continuous ينفع يبقى have؟ طبعا ما ينفعش. يبقى they were having. were having اكتبها ازاي؟ HAV احذف الاي ing يبقى HAVING. when he arrived we were having dinner. when he arrived يبقى when he arrived. Number 3, I was sweeping the floor while I heard the noise ولا when I heard the noise؟ when I heard the noise. Don't forget that this exercise I didn't write the answers for you because I want you to send me your answers again, okay? They forget their books yesterday. They forget. عندي yesterday ينفع أقول forget present. So we should say forgot. Excellent. The past of forget is forgot. He was painting while the phone rang. phone rang past simple بيجي بعد while ولا بعد when؟ طبعا بعد when. عشان كده أشيل while وأحط when. What were you doing when I phoned? when I phoned? No, when I phoned. الهومورك بتاعنا exercise in grammar. Choose the correct answer. This is for you as homework. Please choose and send me your answers, okay? Thank you for good listening and goodbye. With my best wishes, Miss Maha with you. Thank you. Goodbye.